Follow me, follow me. Where'd you go? Oh. How do we help?
What's up, you puppies? What's Gucci Poochies? What's oily boys, oily boys? What's up? I'm John O'Donnell, 38-year-old founder of Oily Boys, and I'm here to bring some very important information to some very important people who want to continue with their very important lives. Oily boys! Come here, I want to show you something. Come here, I want to tell you something. Come over here, you're going to hear something scary. You're going to hear something real scary. You know what that is? That's 3 E's. Eastern equine encephalitis. Doctors have no idea how to cure it. But thankfully, the brilliant brewmasters at Two Roads Brewery have come up with Rosemary's Baby, one of the only known cures to EEE, Eastern equine encephalitis. RMB's gonna cure those E's, okay? Come on, it's in Connecticut. It's not like it's far away. Okay? It's not like it's a danger on a different continent. It's not like it's in ancient Egypt. Oily boys! Rosemary's Baby is available right here in Connecticut. Let me show you where it's at. Here's Oily Boys right here off the East Coast. And all along this area right here is where the danger is. And this is the only way to protect yourself. Eastern equine encephalitis is something Oily Boys do not like. Oily Boys can't help you. As much as we'd love to keep things oily, as much as we'd love to make sure there's enough oil to go around, there isn't, okay? You gotta cure that. You gotta cure your EEEs with your RMBs, okay? Let me show you something scary. Let me show you something crazy. I want to keep it light. I know that there's other dangers out there other than just EEE. But this banister, my friends, is flipped up. Flipping nuts, spins around. Hold on to your butts because it keeps going. This is the most absurd banister I've ever seen. You want to know what the other most absurd thing I've ever seen is? People that forget that RMB, Rosemary's Baby, can protect you from Eastern equine encephalitis. Now, I wanted to keep this light. I wanted to keep it relatable, but I also want to be honest. So come on, follow me to my study. EEE is big. You know who else is big? King Kong. You want to know what's wrong with King Kong? He killed a lot of people, but a lot less people than EEE. Skull Island, that's nothing. A whole island that looks like a skull, that's nothing. Not compared to the dangers of EEE. Hold on, I hear something. Let's go check on my baby. My baby's crying. I hope she's okay. I hope my BB didn't get EEE. She's safe. She's safe and sound. Over here nestled on the bassinet on the ground. You know why my baby, Rosemary, will never get EEE? First of all, her daddy loves her very much. Second of all, she is the cure. You can't get infected by the thing that you cure.